something that people do when they're trying to repair trust, especially with something like their child or their parent or their sibling, is they come to them with this energy. And this is what's hard for me to put into words, but I'm going to try because this is how we learn this stuff. They come with an energy of like, oh my God, I'm so wrong. And I know I'm wrong. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I will do anything. And whatever you need, I am really working on this. Please believe me that I am working on this, as if bringing intensity or begging them or showing them almost an energy of like, I'm bowing at your feet. I know I fucked up is the stuff of fixing it. And it's not the stuff of fixing it. It may be the best you've known how to do till hearing me say this. It's kind of like this. If somebody's angry at me, they're giving me this type of energy, right? Like, F you. You just be over there. You did something wrong. And I am not giving you my energy yet. Totally understandable. But if I show up to that energy, that is basically like, I am not ready yet, and I'm still in rejection of you. And I'm like, please, 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 please. Whoop. To the human ego, that does not endear us to that human ego that's angry and hurt. If anything, that backfires. And the human ego goes, now this is a Louisiana-ism, but goes, yeah, you're right. You're so wrong. You just be wrong. No, the more you do that, the less I'm going to come towards you. And there's this way, like if we're chasing somebody down with that desperate energy, they're going to go over here because we're chasing them down. And then you're never really closer to them like you want and like you're trying for. So believe it or not, I want to advise you, I want to encourage you to come with yourself, inside of yourself, in your own head, in your own thoughts, with your own energy. And if and when you interact with her, from this grounded place of more like cool, calm, and collected, and more of, I understand why you're still angry at me. I fully understand why you wouldn't trust me. I've made I'm sorry in this regard mean nothing because I have said I'm sorry and then I've done the same thing again because I don't really have a handle on it. I just wanted to have a handle on it. I wanted that for me. I wanted that for you. And I'm sorry because at the end of the day, that wound up being a lie. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do that anymore. And then to do it. Of course, you don't trust me in this regard. I don't trust me in this regard. For your sanity, for your heart, for your relationship with your daughter, please do not confuse absence of love with an absence of trust.